popular Nigerian rapper M.I Abaga has admitted he made a mistake by supporting the All Progressive Congress (APC) during the 2015 presidential election. Spoke during an interview on the M.I podcast. He said he supported APC at the time because he believed the People's Democratic Party (PDP) was too corrupt. He thought APC would bring a better future for Nigeria. Yes, I supported APC because I felt PDP was very corrupt. I wanted a better Nigeria, M.I explained. But now, 10 years later, M.I says the APC did not do what he had hoped for. He admitted that they didn't live up to his expectation. APC, unfortunately, isn't the APC of my dreams, he said.
Now. And I think we should be taking responsibility. Like, I don't complain on Twitter and Instagram anymore, not because I don't get the pain. I get it. In fact, you were just scolding me yesterday on Twitter about, I tweeted about the thing that happened in Benue. And a lot of people came out and they were saying, but M.I, you supported the APC government. And I mean, without going into the details, let's say, sure, as of the time when there was a PDP government that I felt was very corrupt, I was part of the people that lifted my voice to say, let us stand and bring in democracy. And I told you, as a human being, no matter whether you try to be right, you'll be wrong eventually. Yeah. APC, unfortunately, isn't the APC of my dreams. Unfortunately, it's not. I can try to, it's not. But now I realize that there are some things I can do as a man that face the problem. For instance, I work in the creative sector, and the creative sector can empower millions of young people. You know, if the government is not set up and doesn't have the leaders that can provide jobs, it doesn't mean that I, Jude, that God has given such a great opportunity, am I going to be a lion? Am I going to be a wolf? You know, am I going to work and leave my remaining work for the generation coming after me? And even if I'm wrong, that's what I'm focused on. Or am I going to be like, I need to have my own Range Rover, my own private jet, and I need to go and make sure I can extract and be a weak man too? Am I going to care about, you know? So again, this is my perspective. People may disagree with me. They may, you're saying, but I want to be able to clearly share with people that, look, my own perspective is that we are actually the generation. Embedded in us are the solutions for the country already. Their generation, they've lived it and they are who they are. Sorry. You guys had your time. But we need to be understanding that we need to really be strong so that we don't repeat the patterns and so that we can do the right thing. So that when history is done and our sons are sitting having a podcast, they will be able to look back and be like, who were those guys?
M.I.'s comment came after people on social media reminded him of his past support for APC. This happened when he posted a message about the herdsmen killing in Benue State. Instead of ignoring the backlash, the rapper took responsibility and said he wants to do better by empowering young people and promoting good leadership in Nigeria. I'm more interested now in working with the youth to build the Nigeria we deserve, he added. M.I.'s confession has gotten people talking across Nigeria. Many people praised him for being honest. Others reminded him of the pain caused by the government he once supported. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.